Hey, Ella.
Pillow.
You slept with the pillow? Where is your pillow? Let's see. Do you have a pillow? That's a big pillow.
No.
Is that your pillow?
Dada.
Dada's pillow?
Me.
What do you want to do? Oh, you like the pillow. Do you like the pillow? Is it soft? Is it soft? Hug the pillow. Hug the pillow, Ella. Where is your belly?
Bella.
That's right. Open your belly. Let me see your belly. Belly. Let me see your belly. That's right.
Belly.
Touch your belly. Touch your belly. Do it. Touch your belly.
Dada.
Dada is not here.
No. Bada.
What is it? The book? You want to read the book? Yes. Okay, I'm gonna give you a book, okay? Let's see. You wanna read this book? Here, let's see. I'm gonna show you something. What is it, Ella? Where is it? What is this, Ella?
Dog.
That's not a dog, that's a cat. What is this? This is shoes. What is this?
Apple.
Apple. And what is this? Shoes. Say it again. Say shoes. What is this, Ella? Ella. Oops. What is this, honey? Say shoes. Say it, Ella. Say it again. Are you reading a book?
Apple.
Okay, let's get dressed, okay?